Look at the fish following the boat around. It's like a Pied Piper. Look at him. Your new leader is here. Look at them. They're like, wait, what is that?
Okay, go move my fin around.
Yeah. Look, there's like 20 of them in there. He's one of us. It's like, you have a new leader. Follow me.
We're doing it too.
Like, wait for us.
They just go full throttle. No, look, they're like following.
They are like following it. Dude, you're like a Pied Piper of the fish of the sea here. They're like all the fish in the thing are right here. Except for the weeds there. Ooh, look, the big ones are like, hey.
Follow.
They're like so curious.
Yeah, it's so cool.
There's a lot of them. Ooh, look at the
all the
gases.
bubbles go up.
Look at the gases. Bloop, 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 bloop. It's a pretty decent size. Little guys, almost as big as the boat there. Watch some big old bass come along, just like, whoa, eat it. Oh, they're not scared anymore.
Look at them, they're like in a defensive formation. They're like trying to...
They're like, hey.
I don't know what to think. Dude, they're like not like that smart.
I wonder how big. Whoa, watch out. Get away from that. Get away from that. It's close. Oh, they're like, hey, he's fast. Hey.
They're fast.
Hey, you got me.